Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Savrat and Saifa's channel. Welcome back. Today we're gonna be outdoors because there's no space indoors again. But today we have a Stegosaurus video. We're gonna compare it to a Dino Escape Kentrosaurus. I decided to put some blue in there. And then we have a Dino Rivals Stegosaurus. And we have from the tracking gear is from Dino Trackers. So we're gonna use excuse me. We're gonna be unboxing this new HESPEROSAURUS. It is also a Stegosaurus. You can see the similar them plates, the back plates. So let's check it out. There you go. We already have all of these. I'm gonna make a shorts maybe tomorrow. Apologize for I have colds today. I was sick yesterday, but yeah, feeling better. So let's open it up. Okay, there you go. Okay. Oh wow, it's the first. You chop off the tail there. Oh, it's right there. Okay, let's take it out. Ah, my goodness. Okay. Okay, there we go. Small tail. So it does look like a Stegosaurus, really like one. There you go. Nice color. The plates are really small. There's the scanny DNA. So the neck has no articulation. It doesn't move. It's just hard. It doesn't go up and down or left and right. None. You can see there's no cut over there. But there's articulation on the legs. The mouth doesn't move. So how do we... Oh yeah, there is a sound. Right there. Also the tail moves. There you go. Yeah. Okay. So let's compare to this Dino Tracker. Dino Escape Kentrosaurus. Let's see their size. Okay, almost the same. Only the HESPEROSAURUS has a bigger head. Almost the same body. Different back plates. This one has a sliding button. So I do that. There we go. This Dino Rival Stegosaurus doesn't have sound, I think. Yeah, no sound, but has a feature right there. You push this down, the head goes up and down. And I believe this one right here. Oh yeah, this one moves the tail. So this dinosaur is from... It's just 2018 right there. It says 2018. Yeah. Let's check out this HESPEROSAURUS. This is a new species, so it should be new. 2023, yeah, just like a year ago. So it is new, definitely, because there's no variants yet. First of its kind. Alright, so there you have it for today. Oh, it has a diamond shape. I see. Alright guys, once again, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate that. And you guys have a great day, okay? Thanks again, guys. We'll see you. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna make some shorts of new goodies. Alright, thanks again, guys. Bye.